Hello everyone, welcome to Competitive Square online classes Barampur. In this video, I will do the current affairs of 20 July. Let's start the first question. Which IIT institution has developed a portable hospital called Medicap? That is a portable hospital. Consisting two ICU. That is a portable hospital consisting two ICU and which that named as Medicap. Which institution developed Medicap? That is IIT Madras. IIT Madras recently launched Medicap. Remember, IIT Madras is the top institute according to the NIRF. According to the NIRF, IIT Madras is the top institute. Remember, IIT Gandhinagar recently launched. IIT Gandhinagar recently launched two project. Gandhinagar recently launched two project. One is chest X-ray to detect coronavirus chest X-ray, and another is Project Isaac launched by IIT Gandhinagar. Remember, IIT Kanpur recently launched one scheme, that is Mobile Master G and Sudh is a mobile device. To sanitizing the room. Sudh and Mobile Master G launched by IIT Kanpur. Recently, Bombay launched advanced stethoscope. IIT Delhi recently launched Corosure launched by IIT Delhi. Remember one more too. Unisavior is a device to sanitizing device launched by IIT Roorkee. Launched by Unisavior. Remember NVIDIA launched by IIT Hyderabad. IIT Hyderabad recently launched Artificial Intelligence Toolkit, AI Toolkit also launched by IIT Hyderabad. Fledgy application launched by IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati recently launched Fledgy application. Remember, Medicap launched by IIT Madras. IIT Madras is the top institute. IIT Bombay stethoscope. IIT Delhi Corosure. Mobile Master G and Sudh IIT Kanpur. Chest X-ray and Project Isaac Gandhinagar. Unisavior IIT Roorkee. NVIDIA IIT Hyderabad. Artificial Intelligence Toolkit IIT Hyderabad and Fledgy application launched by IIT Guwahati. Next question. Who became the new chairman of HCL Technology? HCL headquarters is at Noida. HCL full form Hindustan Computers Limited, and the new chairman is Roshni Nadar Malhotra. He succeeded his father Shiv Nadar. Who is the father of Roshni Nadar Malhotra? Shiv Nadar. He succeeded Shiv Nadar. And HCL Technology headquarters is at Noida, and present chairman Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Clear? Next. India and which country have signed an agreement to expand their collaboration in dealing with cyber threat? India and partnered with which country? That country is Israel. India partnered with Israel. Remember one more too. Arad and Carmel. That is two types of gun. And this type of gun manufactured in India. This is Israel's gun, Arad and Carmel. These types of gun manufactured in India. India's where? Madhya Pradesh. In India's Madhya Pradesh, there is a manufacturing unit, Arad and Carmel manufacturing unit at Madhya Pradesh. Remember one more too. AK-203. This is one type of rifle. A gun. AK-203 manufacturing unit at Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, Amethi city, AK-203 manufacturing unit will be established. A K9 Vajra is a rifle manufacturing unit at Hajaria. K9 Vajra manufacturing unit at Hajaria. Remember, AK-203 Amethi, K9 Vajra is at Hajaria. Arad and Carmel is at Madhya Pradesh. India partner with Israel to dealing with cyber threat. Next. The police of which state has launched cyber campaign to tackle cyber crime against women and children to detect, tackle, to tackle cyber crime against women and children. One campaign is launched. That campaign named as cyber. Which state recently launched a cyber campaign? That state is Telangana. Capital is at Hyderabad. Established on 2nd June 2014. 2nd June 2014 is the statehood day of Telangana. 2nd June 2014 is the statehood day of Telangana. Who is the present CM? K. Chandrasekhar Rao. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Chandrasekhar Rao is the present CM. And who is the governor? T. Sundararajan. T. Sundararajan. T. Sundararajan is the present governor of Telangana. Remember, Telangana district is 33 and Lok Sabha seat is 17 and Rajya Sabha seat is 7. 33, 17, 7. Lok Sabha 17, Rajya Sabha 17. Recently, Telangana declared 2020 is the year of 2020 is the year of artificial intelligence. Which state recently declared 2020 is the year of artificial intelligence? The state is Telangana. 2020 is the year of artificial intelligence. Remember, Telangana recently launched TS Weather Initiative. TS Weather Initiative. TS Weather Initiative. And remember one more too. And Haritha Haram program. Haritha Haram program launched by Telangana. Remember, recently started one project that is Konda Pochama Sagar project. Konda Pochama Sagar project. In the river of Godavari, he launched Konda Pochama Sagar project. Remember, Telia Rumal Sari recently got GI tag, that is from Telangana. Telia Rumal Sari is from Telangana, got GI tag. Again I will repeat, which state police has launched a cyber campaign to tackle cyber crime against women and children? That state is Telangana, capital Hyderabad. 2nd June 2014 is the statehood day, and Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Governor T. Sundararajan. Lok Sabha seat is 17, Rajya Sabha seat is 7. And recently declared 2020 is the year of artificial intelligence, and TS Weather Initiative launched. Haritha Harama program launched by Telangana. Kanda Pochama Sagar project on the river of Godavari he launched, and Telia Rumal Sadi recently got GI tag. SBI Card and Payment Service, it is not SBI, SBI Card and Payment Service headquarter. Where is the headquarter of SBI Card and Payment Service? You have to write in comment box. SBI's headquarter is at Mumbai, but not SBI Card and Payment Service. Where is the SBI Card and Payment Service headquarter? Write in comment box. Has appointed whom as its new managing director and CEO? SBI Card and Payment Service has appointed whom as its new managing director and CEO? Who is the present MD and CEO of SBI Card and Payment Services? That is Ashwini Kumari Tiwari. Ashwini Kumari Tiwari. She is the SBI Cards and Payment Service MD and CEO. Neela Satyanarayana, who passed away recently, was the first woman election commissioner of which state? Neela Satyanarayana, who passed away recently, is the first woman election commissioner of Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai, and famous folk dance is Lavani. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, and governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari, and Lok Sabha seat is 48. Rajya Sabha seat is 19, and recently launched Mahajob portal, Mahaparwana scheme, Mahaparwana initiative, and Me Annapurna launched by Maharashtra, and Shiv Bhojan launched by Maharashtra. Also remember Shiv Bhojan. Also remember Project Platina also launched by Maharashtra. Mahajob portal, Mahaparwana, Me Annapurna, Shiv Bhojan, Project Platina. Mahajob portal, Mahaparwana, Me Annapurna, Shiv Bhojan, Project Platina. These are the scheme of Maharashtra. Capital is Mumbai. Famous dance Lavani. CM Uddhav Thackeray. Lok Sabha seat is 48 and Rajya Sabha seat is 19. Clear? Next. Which country has decided to create air bubbles? Agreement to resume international fight. In COVID-19, there is talk of the international fights to resume, to restart the international fights. There is a agreement to decided to create air bubbles agreement. What is air bubbles agreement? Air bubbles agreement means there is no obstacle between two countries to flight. Flight. Which country decided to create air bubble agreement? That is India. India has no obstacle to flight with Japan, USA, Germany, and many more countries. India has no obstacle to flight. That agreement is air bubbles agreement. Which railway coach factory has developed a post-COVID coach to fight the virus? Which coach factory has developed a post-COVID coach to fight the virus? That coach factory is Kapurthala. Kapurthala coach factory recently launched a post-COVID coach to fight the virus. Where is the Kapurthala? Kapurthala is at Punjab. Remember, Raebareli is the modern coach factory. Raebareli, here is the modern railway coach factory. Modern railway coach factory is at Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Raebareli modern railway coach factory recently launched a robot. What is the name of robot? Sona 1.5. Which railway factory recently launched Sona 1.5 robot? That is Raebareli. That is a modern railway coach factory. Remember one more. Kapurthala recently launched one ventilator that named as Jivan ventilator. Kapurthala coach factory recently launched Jivan ventilator. Remember one more point, that is Chittaranjan Locomotive Company. Chittaranjan Locomotive Company, that is manufacturing of engine. Locomotive Company. Where is it? Chittaranjan Locomotive Company is at West Bengal. Chittaranjan Locomotive Company is at West Bengal. Recently make record. Why? Make records. He manufactured 431 engine in just 292 working days. In just 292 working days, he make 431 engine. Which locomotive company? That is Chittaranjan Locomotive Company make record. Chittaranjan Locomotive Company is at West Bengal. Clear? Post-COVID coach, Kapurthala, Punjab. Jivan ventilator, Kapurthala, Punjab. Sona 1.5 robot, Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. And 431 engine in 292 working days is Chittaranjan Locomotive Company. Who is the author of the book The Spirit of Cricket India? This book name is The Spirit of Cricket India, authored by Steve Waugh. Steve Waugh is the former Australia captain and Australia all-rounder. Steve Waugh is the author of the book The Spirit of Cricket India. Who is the Prime Minister of Australia? Scott Morrison. And capital? Canberra. Scott Morrison is the Prime Minister of Australia. Remember Sports Atta recently brand ambassador, appointed brand ambassador to Brett. Sports Atta's brand ambassador is Brett. The Spirit of Cricket India, authored by Steve Waugh, is from Australia, and Scott Morrison is the Prime Minister of Australia. Canberra is the capital. India's only golden tiger, that is a golden color tiger. The tiger's name Kaji 106F. That tiger name is Kaji 106F. Was recently spotted in which national park? In which national park? A golden tiger, that name is Kaji 106F. Spotted, that is Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is at Assam. Kaziranga National Park famous for one horned rhino famous for Kaziranga. Kaziranga National Park is at Assam. Kaziranga, Nameri, Dibru Saigoba, Manaso, Diheng Patkai. Kaziranga, Nameri, Manaso, Dibru Saigoba. These are the national park of Assam. Capital Dispur. Remember one more too. Diheng Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary. Where is it? Diheng Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is at Assam. Now converted into Diheng Patkai National Park. Diheng Patkai National Park. Diheng Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary now converted into Diheng Patkai National Park. Remember one more. Pobba Reserve Forest recently declared as Wildlife Sanctuary. Pobba Wildlife Sanctuary. Dihing Patkai wildlife sanctuary converted to national park, and Pobba Reserve Forest converted to wildlife sanctuary. These are the both in Assam. These are the both in Assam. Remember, Assam there is Nameri National Park, Nameri National Park, Dipru Saikova, Manaso, Nameri, Dipru Saikova, Manaso. Pure Nameri, Dipru Saikova, Manaso, and Kaziranga. Now Dihing Patkai National Park. Clear? Next. Today's news. Now start today's news. See, first news. CBSE Central Board for Secondary Education launched integrated artificial intelligence based curriculum in 200 Indian schools in collaboration with IBM. CBSE collaboration with which company? IBM company. They started integrated artificial intelligence based curriculum in 200 Indian schools for class 11 and 12. For class 11 and 12, he started artificial intelligence curriculum, which institution started, that is CBSE Central Board for Secondary Education, and chairman Manoj Ahuja. Who is the chairman of CBSE? Manoj Ahuja is the chairman of CBSE. CBSE launched artificial intelligence based curriculum in 200 Indian schools in collaboration with IBM, International Business Machine. International Business Machine. Who is the head of IBM? That is one Indian, Arvind Krishna. Arvind Krishna. He is the head of IBM, International Business Mission. Arvind Krishna. He studied at IIT Kanpur. 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 Clear? Arvind Krishna studied at IIT Kanpur. He is IBM's head, IBM International Business Mission. CBSE partnered with IBM for class 11 and 12 artificial intelligence course. The Uttarakhand government has decided to convert waste generated in the state to electricity under an initiative titled Waste to Energy. That initiative name is Waste to Energy Initiative. Means in waste they produce electricity. That is Waste to Energy scheme launched by Uttarakhand. Waste to Energy scheme launched by Uttarakhand. Who is the CM? CM is Trivendra Singh Rao. Governor is Baby Rani Moria. Lok Sabha seat is 5. Rajya Sabha seat is 3. Lok Sabha is 5. Rajya Sabha seat is 3. Total list is 13. CM Trivendra Singh Rawat, and Governor Baby Rani Moria. Remember, recently launched Hope Portal. Uttarakhand recently launched Hope Portal. Hope Portal recently launched by Uttarakhand. And remember, first lichen, very important question. First lichen park is at Uttarakhand Munsiari, Uttarakhand. Very important question. Where is the first lichen park located in India? Munsiari, Uttarakhand. Also remember, biggest biodiversity park. Biggest biodiversity park is at also Uttarakhand, Haldwani. In Haldwani, Uttarakhand is the biggest biodiversity park. Remember, Indian Railway recently launched first waste to energy plant. Indian Railway recently launched first waste to energy plant. Waste to energy plant at where? At BBSR, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. India's first waste to energy plant is at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Indian Railways first waste to energy plant is at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Real Madrid Football Club. This is a football club, FC Football Club. Real Madrid won the La Liga title for the record 34th title. La Liga title. This is a domestic tournament of football. La Liga conducted by Spanish. This is Spanish title. This is a Spanish title. La Liga title is a Spanish title won by Real Madrid, the Real Madrid Football Club, Spanish capital Madrid. The Real Madrid Football Club recently won the La Liga title. La Liga is the Spanish league. La Liga is the Spanish league. Remember, World Tourism Organization World Tourism Organization, very more important question. World Tourism Organization headquarters is at Madrid. Headquarters is at Madrid, Spain, Madrid. And who is the PM of Spain? Who is the PM of Spain? Spain's PM Pedro Sanchez. Pedro Sanchez. Pedro Sanchez is the Prime Minister of Spain. And Madrid is the headquarters of World Tourism Organization. La Liga title recently won the Real Madrid Football Club. Next, para badminton player Ramesh Tikaram died 51 age due to coronavirus. Ramesh Tikaram is a para badminton player passed away recently. Remember one more too. Rajat Mukherjee is a best filmmaker. Rajat Mukherjee is a filmmaker passed away recently. Rajat Mukherjee is a filmmaker passed away recently. One more, that is a mathematician named as C.S. Seshadri also passed away recently. Ramesh Tikaram, Rajat Mukherjee and C.S. Seshadri. Rajat Mukherjee is a filmmaker, C.S. Seshadri is a mathematician, and Ramesh Tikaram is the very much important para badminton player. Yes, handicapped player, para badminton player. Ramesh Tikaram passed away due to coronavirus. Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap, two person. Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap has been chosen as the ambassador of Toronto International Film Festival 2020. Toronto is at Canada, important city, town. Toronto International Film Festival. There is a India's ambassador. Two person is the ambassador. One is Priyanka Chopra and another is Anurag Kashyap. Clear? Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap. Who is the ambassador of UNEP? Who is the ambassador of UNEP? Dia Mirza. Remember, Dia Mirza is the ambassador of UNEP. And remember, in the Toronto International Film Festival, there is a award named as Best Tribute Actor. Best Tribute Actor is Kate Winslet. He is from UK. Best Tribute Actress, not actress. Best Tribute Actress Kate Winslet from UK. Remember, Best Tribute Actress Kate Winslet, who is the ambassador of India. Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap is the ambassador of Toronto International Film Festival. Toronto is the headquarters. Toronto is at Canada. Toronto is at Canada. UNEP ambassador is Dia Mirza. Next question. P. Praveen Siddharth appointed as a personal secretary to President of India. P. Praveen Siddharth appointed as the personal secretary to President of India. Who is the personal secretary of President of India? It is P. Praveen Siddharth. Before he succeeded Sanjay Kothari. Now Sanjay Kothari becomes the Chief Vigilance Commissioner. He succeeded Sanjay Kothari. P. Praveen Siddharth appointed as a personal secretary of President of India. Who is the personal secretary of Prime Minister of India? Rajiv Tapano. Remember, Rajiv Tapano is the personal secretary to Prime Minister of India. Personal secretary to President of India, P. Praveen Siddharth. Personal secretary to Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Tapano. Clear? Personal secretary, Prime Minister, Rajiv Tapano. President, Praveen Siddharth. Succeeded Sanjay Kothari. South Central Railway Ongoli, that is a subdivision Ongoli. South Central Railway headquartered at Secunderabad, has won the Water Heroes Award from Jal Shakti Minister. Who is the present Jal Shakti Minister? Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Constituency is at Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Constituency is Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat awarded Water Heroes Award, and this award received by Ongoli subdivision is at Secunderabad. Ongoli subdivision. Water Heroes Award. Crime writer, not criminal, crime writer S. Hussain Zaidi has penned a new novel, named as The End Game, which talks of politics, betrayal and unimaginable terror. And here is they written politics, betrayal, unimaginable terror. The novel named as The End Game. Who is the who is the author of the Nobel the End Game? His name is S. Hussein Zaidi, famous crime writer S. Hussein Zaidi. His Nobel is the End Game. Next, Mariana Vardinoyanis, and Morisana Koyati of Guiana. He is from Greece. He is from Guiana. Were announced as the laureates of United Nations 2020 Nelson Mandela Prize. Who receives Nelson Mandela Prize 2020? One is Mariana Vardanis from Greece, and Marisana Koyati from Guinea won the Nelson Mandela Prize. Who is Nelson Mandela? He is the first Prime Minister, is first President of South Africa, and he also receives Bharat Ratna Award in 1993 and Nobel Peace Prize. Bharat Ratna in 1990. Bharat Ratna in 1990, and Peace Prize, Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. Remember, National Mandela Day is 18 July. National Mandela Day is 18 July. Next, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has participated in third meeting of G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governors via video conference. Who attended the Finance Minister and Central Governors meetings in India? That is Nirmala Sitharaman attended this meeting, third meeting of G20 Finance Minister. Who is the head of G20 2020 meeting? Remember, Saudi Arabia is the host country. Saudi Arabia is the host country of G20 2020 meeting. Remember, 2021 is at Italy, and 2022 is at India. 2022 is at India. That is 17th edition. That is 70th edition. 70th edition 2022 will conduct by India. 2021 is at Italy. Now this year at Arabia. Next, start the Uttarakhand. There is a two capital. One is Dehradun and one is Garrisina. Garrisina is the new capital of Uttarakhand. Winter capital and summer capital. There is a two capital Uttarakhand. Statehood Day is 9 November 2000. Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat and Governor Baby Rani Moria. Total district 13. Lok Sabha seat is 5. Rajya Sabha 3. 13-5-3. And High Court is at Nainital, and Chief Justice Ramesh Rangarathan is the present Chief Justice of Nainital High Court. Border State Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and border country China, Nepal. Border State Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and border country China, Nepal. Again I will repeat. 9 November 2000 is the Statehood Day of Uttarakhand. Total district 13. Lok Sabha seat is 5. Rajya Sabha 3. CM Trivendra Singh Rawat, Governor Baby Rani Moria. High Court is at Nainital and Chief Justice Ramesh Rangarathan. Border state means Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Border country China and Nepal. These are the national park: Gangotri, Jim Corbett, Gobind Basubiyar, Nanda Devi, Rajaji Valley Flower. Gangotri, Jim Corbett, Gobind, Nanda Devi, Rajaji Valley Flower. Gangotri, Jim Corbett, Gobind, Nanda Devi, Rajaji Valley Flower. Gangotri, Jim Corbett, Gobind, Nanda Devi, Rajaji Valley Flower. These are the national park. Gobind Pasubiyar, very important. Gobind Pasubiyar, also a wildlife sanctuary, very important wildlife sanctuary. Gobind Pasubiyar located at where? Uttarakhand. Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary, Sonanandi Wildlife Sanctuary, Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, Mosri Wildlife Sanctuary, Nadhaur Wildlife Sanctuary. Gobind Pasubiyar, Kedarnath, Sonanandi, Binsar, Mansuri, Nadhaur. Gobind Pasubiyar, Kedarnath, Sonanandi, Binsar, Mansuri, Nadhaur Wildlife Sanctuary is at Uttarakhand. Gangotri National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Gobind Pasubiyar National Park, Nanda Devi National Park, Rajaji National Park, and Valley Flower National Park. This is the video of today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel Competitive Square and like this video. Thank you.